In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the image size in Photoshop. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to select the layer your image is on, this one here. Make sure it's not a background layer. Also make sure it's not locked. Now, you want to do Control and T, and that's going to open up the transform tool. Now from here, there's a few things you can do. If you want to click and drag it in one direction, you can do it like this. And you can make it bigger like this. And then hit enter and you're done. Now, for example, say you wanted to move one side bigger but not the other. Go up to the top and unlink this here. Now, you can do this and it's going to stretch but make it bigger, like that. Now this is useful in some cases and also you might not want that in other cases. Also a cool feature is once you have changed the size of that, you can relock it here and it will go back into being locked together like this. And that's how you do it. If you want to fiddle with some other settings up here, you can. There's the angle, and you can also change this if you want to put it onto a cylinder object, for example, or transform the view of it. But that's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked.